What's up, guys? All good. My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Christ Consciousness Code before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Christ Consciousness Code works. What is the Christ Consciousness Code? It's the state of consciousness in which a person achieves self-realization and unity with God or the divine. It can also be used synonymously with the yogic and Hindu concept of samadhi, or profound spiritual happiness. Although the Christ Consciousness Code is not solely intended to relate to the personality of Jesus Christ, it combines Christian language with Eastern religious and philosophical concepts. And how does it work? I've read that all you need to do is access the program and listen to it daily to gain access to a life of joy, fulfillment, prosperity, and wealth like never before. Another piece of information I sought to understand is whether it works even if you don't regularly attend church, and the answer is yes. If you have a set of headphones, the Christ Consciousness Code will work for you, even if you've never considered yourself religious a day in your life. Regarding the guarantee period, I was extremely surprised because it's 365 days, which means you'll have a full year to use the program and see the results.